What is going on, guys? It is Dylan here. Today I will be going over a technical analysis on the ticker symbol MVIS microvision. Before we get into it, I just want to let you guys know that I am bullish on microvision. I do think it's a very innovative company. There's not a lot of guys doing what they're doing, and if they do have the best automotive lidar, which they are saying they have, sorry. If that goes to plan this upcoming April, I think the stock price could see very high digits. But with that being out of the way, let's get right into the video. This isn't a due diligence video. There's plenty of places online to do that. So for these supports, you can see nice support at $8.19 along the $9.79 support and the $12.63 support. So definitely keep an eye on all these supports. And for resistance, you got resistance at $15. Sorry, it's a little bit down. $14.80. This did stop us out today. You can see right here, and there's a touch point right here, here, right here, and here. So there's 5 touch points on this resistance. So it definitely is a very validated resistance. We could be potentially softening this up, and I don't think this will be a resistance for too much longer, but we will find out on this upcoming Tuesday. Yeah, so definitely keep an eye on all these lines. And for the indicators, you can see we are above the 200-day MA, and we currently are contesting the 9-day EMA, which is a more short-term support or short-term resistance. As you can see right here, we wrote it up, and then right here we wrote it down. So definitely keep an eye on that. 100%. The indicators, the MACD, we are in a death cross currently, but the more tech stocks recover, this will reverse quickly to a golden cross, and we are kind of tightening out a little bit, which is good to see. Yeah, so for the volume, nothing really too crazy for the day, so I'm not even going to go over that. It's average volume, but a green bar nonetheless, so that's good. For the 4-hourly, you can see that the MAs tried to do a death cross. What's a death cross in the MAs? Well, a death cross in the MAs is when this yellow line right here, the short-term resistance or support, goes under the long-term support or resistance, the 200-day MA, this orange line right here. Right when the lines were about to go into a death cross, we did snap right back out into the golden cross. I mean, we still were in a golden cross, but this leads me to believe that the golden cross will keep going, and if we do that, we most likely will ride the price to new supports. You do see a engulfing bullish pattern right here, which is when you have a body of a candle wick completely engulf the other prior candle, but you can see that we have engulfed actually quite a bit of candles here. Really, all of these. You only need to do one, but I think that is pretty cool that we did do that. Could this be an upcoming run? Not sure, but we do see an inverse hammer right here and a doji candle, which the doji is indecision. The inverse hammer does lean towards the bear side. So I would say it's indecisive right now, whether it's really, we could tell from a technical standpoint, if it's probable to go up or probable to go down. It really is indecisive, but I do really like to see that we didn't approach that death cross. Okay, so for the MACD on the 4-hourly, you see that we are in a golden cross. We did enter that today, mid today, which is awesome. You like to see that. That is a bullish sign. And yeah, I mean, we really just got to end this trend of lower highs and lower lows, lower highs, lower lows. There was a higher high right here, but it didn't last for long. Really, we are setting higher lows, so we need to end the higher low trend. So with that being said, I don't want to keep you guys here any longer than I have to. If you made it to this point of the video, I appreciate it so much. Hope you have a good rest of your day, and I'm out.